Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the LG TONE Free T90S, a premium pair of true wireless earbuds that combine high-quality audio, innovative features, and a sleek design. Known for their UVnano self-cleaning technology and impressive sound quality, the TONE Free T90S earbuds are designed to elevate your listening experience. Stay tuned as we explore everything the LG TONE Free T90S has to offer. Design and build quality. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds feature a sleek and modern design that is both stylish and functional. The earbuds have a compact and ergonomic shape that fits comfortably in your ears, making them ideal for long listening sessions. The matte finish gives them a premium look and feel, while the lightweight build ensures they are easy to wear throughout the day. The charging case is equally sleek, with a compact design that easily fits in your pocket or bag. The case is equipped with a magnetic lid that securely holds the earbuds in place and protects them when not in use. The build quality of both the earbuds and the case is robust, ensuring durability and long-term reliability. Sound quality. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds deliver exceptional sound quality thanks to their advanced audio technology. They feature Meridian Audio's tuning, providing clear and balanced sound across all frequencies. The earbuds offer a rich bass, detailed mids, and crisp highs, ensuring an immersive listening experience whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or taking calls. The T90S earbuds also support 3D soundstage, which creates a more spacious and realistic audio experience, making you feel like you're in the middle of the action. Additionally, they feature customizable EQ settings through the LG Tone Free app, allowing you to tailor the sound to your personal preferences. Active noise cancellation. One of the standout features of the LG TONE Free T90S is its active noise cancellation, ANC technology. The ANC effectively reduces ambient noise, allowing you to enjoy your music or calls without distractions. Whether you're in a noisy office, on a busy street, or traveling on a plane, the ANC ensures a clear and immersive audio experience. The earbuds also include ambient sound mode, which lets you hear your surroundings when needed. This feature is particularly useful for staying aware of your environment while walking or during conversations. UVnano self-cleaning technology. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds come with a unique UVnano self-cleaning technology integrated into the charging case. This innovative feature uses UV light to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria on the earbud tips while they are charging. This ensures that your earbuds stay clean and hygienic, providing peace of mind and reducing the risk of ear infections. Battery life. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds offer impressive battery life, providing up to 10 hours of playback on a single charge with ANC turned off, and up to 8 hours with ANC on. The charging case provides additional charges, extending the total battery life to up to 30 hours. This ensures that you can enjoy your music and calls throughout the day without worrying about running out of battery. The earbuds also support fast charging, giving you up to 1 hour of playback with just a 5-minute charge. This is perfect for those times when you need a quick boost before heading out. Connectivity and controls. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds feature Bluetooth 5.2 technology, ensuring a stable and reliable wireless connection with your devices. The earbuds offer low latency, making them suitable for gaming and watching videos without audio lag. The touch controls on the earbuds are intuitive and responsive, allowing you to easily control playback, adjust volume, take calls, and activate voice assistants with simple taps. The LG Tone Free app provides additional customization options for the touch controls, allowing you to set them according to your preferences. Call quality. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds excel in call quality, thanks to their dual microphones and advanced noise reduction technology. The earbuds effectively filter out background noise, ensuring that your voice comes through clearly on calls. This makes them ideal for both personal and professional use, whether you're taking calls on the go or attending virtual meetings. Comfort and fit. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds come with multiple sizes of silicone ear tips, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for all ear shapes and sizes. The ergonomic design of the earbuds provides a snug fit that stays in place during various activities, from working out to commuting. The earbuds are also IPX4 rated for water and sweat resistance, making them suitable for workouts and outdoor activities. This ensures durability and reliability, even in challenging conditions. Price and value. The LG TONE Free T90S earbuds are positioned as premium true wireless earbuds, reflecting their advanced features, wrought high-quality sound, and innovative UVnano technology. While they come at a higher price point compared to standard earbuds, their combination of performance, hygiene features, and long battery life makes them a valuable investment for those seeking a superior audio experience. Conclusion. In conclusion, the LG TONE Free T90S earbuds offer a top-tier listening experience with their exceptional sound quality, effective noise cancellation, and innovative UVnano self-cleaning technology. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a frequent traveler, or someone who values hygiene and convenience, these earbuds provide a comprehensive package that meets a wide range of needs. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.